Top 3 best 3D printer in United Arab Emirates. Let's start at number 1. Creality Official Ender 3 3D printer, fully open source with Resume printing. All metal frame FDM DIY printers with Resume printing function. Easy to assemble, seamlessly adds on upgrades. Fast heating build plate, affordable, uneven base. A solid option for those who enjoy do-it-yourself projects. Creality's Ender 3 offers great value as an open frame printer. It comes largely pre-assembled, so it's easy enough for even beginners to set up. Despite its low price point, it doesn't compromise on print quality, offering excellent final results. The sturdy and compact device comes with an LCD display and control wheel, and its frame style allows you to attach extras, upgrades, and modulation. Some of them can even be 3D printed whenever you like, without affecting its printing performance. Some reviewers comment, however, that the Ender 3 tends to have an uneven base that causes a slight wobble during printing. Some remedied the issue by placing a wedge under one corner. Despite this flaw, the budget 3D printer has other factors going for it. A useful power recovery mode, a tight filament pathway that makes it easier to print with flexible materials, and a heated build plate that allows you to easily remove the final model. For its price tag, it's an excellent option for hobbyists, students, and DIYers. Let's move on to number 2. Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer with 250mm faster print speed, entry-level 3D printer, LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling, PEI magnetic spring steel platform. Pros prints fast and accurately. Easy to assemble and use, includes useful fine-tuning features. Good leveling system. Cons: noisy fans can become hot with use. When you're buying a 3D printer for the first time, you're likely looking for an affordable option that's easy to set up and use, offers excellent print quality, and produces consistent results. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo checks all these boxes, and it's extremely fast to boot with a maximum print speed of 250mm. Ideal for beginners, it's a solid low-risk 3D printer for those looking to experiment and learn along the way. The printer features linear propulsion and input shaping functions that you can use to reduce spillage and print resonance to create remarkably smooth and clear models. The device's LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system intelligently supports different usage scenarios, while the integrated extruder for the last one, FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D printer, 600mm high-speed printer with fully automatic leveling, quick removable 280 nozzle, effective 2-channel cooling, core XY structure, 212 x 220mm. Your creativity knows no limits. Good helper for beginners. Adventurer 5M meets the innovative needs of users with brand new technology and craftsmanship. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, your originality is unlimited. Make your ideas come true with Adventurer 5M, simple and stress-free. Achieve a flawless printing experience. The Adventurer 5M has a fully automatic one-click leveling system. It measures the distance between the nozzle and the building plate to determine the correct offset. No leveling tools or manual calibration of the Z-axis are required. This makes achieving a flawless first coat an easy and effortless task. Core XY all-metal movement structure. The Adventurer 5M uses a new and robust design to ensure fast printing speeds while delivering a high-quality output. The stable and smooth motion structure supports stable and quiet printing in high-speed mode. Patented quick removable nozzle. The different nozzle diameters 0.5, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8mm are suitable for both high precision and high efficiency. The quick change nozzle requires no tools and can be changed in just 3 seconds. The nozzle is easy to maintain for both the beginner and the expert. Continued pressure after power outages. When the power fails, the running layer is stored and continues from this point when the power is restored. Flexible double-sided PEI steel plate makes it easy to remove the printed model by bending. The back is specially designed for printing with PETG material.